This video is not a user manual. Please read the user manual before using the device. Thermo. Medical warming cabinet. Designed for warming and storage of fluids and infusion solutions, blankets and linen. Install the warming cabinet, ensuring that the door opens freely. Step on the wheel brakes if using the mobile version. Connect the power cable. Plug it in the power socket. Open the door. Place fluids, infusion solutions, or blankets. Keep in mind that fluids and blankets must be stored in separate compartments. Maximum load per shelf is 20 kilograms. Turn on the warming cabinet. Previously set temperature will appear on the display. Set the required temperature. When warming fluids and infusion solutions, use the solutions mode with a temperature between 34 and 42 degrees. When warming blankets and linen, use the blankets mode with a temperature between 42 and 60 degrees. To set the temperature in the blankets mode, simultaneously press plus and stop buttons. To start heating, press the start button. After reaching the set temperature, the device will automatically maintain it 24 hours a day. The simultaneous pressing plus and minus buttons displays the time counter. For changing the temperature, press the stop button. Set the desired temperature and press start. Using the key, lock the door. To lock the control panel buttons, bring the RFID card to the reader. Turn off the warming cabinet. When turning on the device next time, it will resume heating according to the last set parameters. More information you can find in the user manual.